As Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus was sworn in as the head of Bangladesh's interim government, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended his best wishes. He also urged Yunus to ensure the safety and protection of Hindus and other minority communities in Bangladesh. This comes after the ouster of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina on August 5th, which has led to a rise in attacks on minority communities. In a post on X, Prime Minister Modi stated, quote unquote, "My best wishes to Professor Muhammad Yunus on the assumption of his new responsibilities. We hope for an early return to normalcy, ensuring the safety and protection of Hindus and all other minority communities." Modi further emphasized India's commitment to working with Bangladesh to achieve peace, security, and development. 84 years old Professor Yunus returned to Dhaka this afternoon. He was received at the airport by Bangladesh Army Chief General Waqar-uz-Zaman. Upon his arrival, Yunus called for an end to the ongoing attacks, stressing that his task is to restore law and order in the country. Earlier today, Randhir Jaiswal, spokesperson for the Ministry of External Affairs, addressed concerns regarding the situation of minorities in Bangladesh. He noted that India is closely monitoring the situation and reiterated that it is the responsibility of every government to ensure the well-being of all its citizens. Jaiswal emphasized the importance of restoring law and order in Bangladesh for the benefit of the country and the region. India is also taking measures to ensure the safety and security of Indian nationals in Bangladesh. The Indian High Commission has temporarily suspended visa operations until the situation improves. The Indian High Commission, in coordination with the Bangladesh Army, has facilitated the safe passage of Indian nationals to the border. This includes project personnel from companies like Acorn, Khulna, L&T, RITES, Tata Projects, Afcons, and Transrail Sirajganj. On the issue of Sheikh Hasina, who fled Bangladesh earlier this week, she is now in India and had plans to seek asylum in the UK. However, she faces challenges due to visa requirements, as UK immigration rules do not allow for asylum applications from outside the country. Hasina may need to stay in India for now. The situation is further complicated as UK's immigration rules don't have provisions for someone to be allowed to travel to the country to seek asylum. When asked about Hasina's plans, MEA spokesperson Jaiswal stated that there is no update on her plans and it is for her to decide how to proceed.